everyone. Can you all hear me clearly?
Yes, Mai, we can hear you.
All good right now.
Great, thank you. I understand this has been a little test regarding the Fusion 2.0 project. My goal today is simply to create an open and respectful discussion so both teams can reach a mutual agreement on the campaign timeline. So before we start, I would like to everyone to agree on one thing. This is a safe space, no blame, no pointing fingers, only a solution. Alright, KHALISA, could you please start by explaining your department situation?
Thank you, Mai. As you know, marketing is responsible for leading the Fusion 2.0 launch. It is our biggest campaign for this year. We have committed to upper management that our digital ads will go live within 2 weeks. But the creative team still has not finalized the visual and teaser videos. Honestly, it feels like we are not getting the support we need from the creative team actually.
Thank you for sharing that, KHALISA. ALIFF, could you share your side?
Yes, I completely do understand about marketing agency, Mai, but my team has been juggling with 3 major campaigns including Fusion 2.0, where short staff and our designer have been working overtime almost every night. If we rush now, the quality will suffer and that will hurt everyone in the company, especially the working team that wants the campaign to success without any mistakes and careless, right?
Well, it's been really hard, Mai. We care a lot about this campaign, but we've been staying late almost every night, even on weekends. If we keep pushing like this, the design will look unfinished and most of us will burn out before even launch day.
To be honest, I do appreciate your hard work, Nisha. I really do. But the company's reputation and revenue depend on this launch. Marketing also has KPIs to meet. If we delay, it affects sales and ultimately everyone's performance rating.
If I may add something, I review both department workload reports. So for marketing, concern about timing is valid, but the creative team is currently working at 60% above their manual capacity. So the main issue here, which is seems to be misalignment, which is the campaign deadline was approved before checking the creative team actual capacity.
That's an excellent observation, Tasha. So to summarize, both sides want the same thing, the success of Fusion 2.0, but there is a conflict between time pressure and quality assurance. Let's focus on a funding balance, a realistic plan that meets both goals. Thank you, everyone. Thank you all for being honest and sharing your concern. Before we continue, I want to understand the rules of this conflict more clearly. Let's slow things down and break this issue into a smaller part so I can fully understand both sides. KHALISA, ALIFF, can you each explain what outcome you personally hope to achieve from today's mediation?
From marketing perspective, our priority is ensuring that Fusion 2.0 launches with maximum impact. The 2-week deadline isn't just a random target. It is aligned with our pre-booked ad placement and influencer partnerships. If we miss the window, not only do we lose money, but we also lost momentum. I am here because I want clarity, commitment, and assurance that the creative team can support this launch.
I hear you, KHALISA. So your main objective is timeline security and maintaining launch momentum. Thank you. ALIFF, what would you like to achieve from today?
My expectation is fairness. We're not refusing to deliver, we just need a realistic timeline. My designers are burned out. If we keep pushing like this, the creative quality will drop and that will affect the brand. I want marketing to understand our capacity and collaborate instead of pressuring us.
Understood. So your goal is manageable workload and protecting the quality of the output. Tasha, as someone supporting marketing, anything you would like to add?
I think both teams actually wants the same thing, but lack of early communication created the problem. So for marketing, they are made plan for business need, but for the creative team, they didn't want they didn't get to review the timeline before it was finalized. So I think if we realign the expectation today, I'm very confident that we can fix this problem.
Good point. So the issue lies partly in the process, not just the people. Misha, what about you? You are directly doing the design work. What's your view?
So we just want to produce work we're proud of without collapsing. We want to help marketing, but we need a help that doesn't stretch us to the breaking point. Maybe if we can adjust the deliverables or break the campaign into phases, that will help a lot.
Thank you, Misha. It's very valuable. So let me summarize what I have heard to make sure we all align. Marketing needs timely deliverables to secure the Fusion 2.0 launch and maintain a business commitment. Creative needs a realistic timelines that match their current capacity to maintain a quality and avoid burnout. Both teams care deeply about the campaign and want it to success, but the timeline was set before workload alignment, causing a pressure and misunderstanding. Thank you. This tells me something important. There is no enemy here, only misalignment. My next goal is to help both teams move from position we need it now or we can't do it to interest we want a successful launch with open timelines. For our next step, we will enter the mediation and negotiation phase where we discuss possible solution and a compromise. Thank you everyone. We have explored the concern from both sides. Before we move forward, let's set a few ground rules to make sure decisions stay productive. One person speak at a time without interrupting, and we focus on solution, not a blame. Let's shift our attention now toward what can be done rather than what went wrong.
Well, from marketing side, our biggest issue is still visibility. We have external partners waiting, slots booked, and a specific launch windows. If we miss it, our engagement numbers will drop and our post management won't be happy. We are not trying to push creative unnecessarily, but we need something to show.
Thank you, KHALISA. So your concern is timing and managing external and expectation. Alif, how would you like to respond?
Honestly, we are committed to this launch, but juggling multiple campaigns with limited manpower has stretched the team thin. We simply cannot produce everything at once without dropping the quality, right? But however, we can commit to partial deliverables earlier if the campaign is staged in phases.
This is already a promising direction. Let's explore the future.
If creative can deliver something earlier, maybe we don't need the entire act immediately. Then what if we release the teaser ad first, like short visual or simple clips? Is it enough to build curiosity while the rest being prepared? What do you guys think?
This is an excellent suggestion, Tasha. It reframes the problem from everything's now to strategy phase. Both sides are moving toward the same goal, a strong, successful launch.
Yes, I think that will help us a lot. Smaller assets like teasers are manageable, so we can commit to delivering those earlier without sacrificing quality or burning out the team.
If marketing can get teasers, we can start warming up our audience. Our influencer also can tease the product and our early ads can run. It is not the full campaign, but it protects our momentum.
And with the pressure eased slightly, we can reserve more time to perfect the main campaign materials. No one wants sloppy work to represent the brand, right?
This is exactly what mediation aims to achieve: understanding interest, building a trust, and finding a middle ground that respects both sides. Let me reflect what I'm hearing. Marketing needs early visibility, creative needs realistic timelines to protect quality, a taser-first strategy allows both sides to meet their goals without overburdening the teams. Before we move forward, I want to confirm that this approach works for everyone. Are both teams comfortable committing to taser release first, followed by the full campaign rollout once a creative completes their materials?
Yes, marketing absolutely can work with this. It is a fair compromise.
Yes, creatives agree with that. It gives us clarity and a pace we can sustain.
That's good, and I think this will also help prevent the misalignment in future campaign.
Yeah, and the team will feel less overwhelmed. that matters too.
Wonderful! This is a strong example of collaboration, not just between departments, but between people who genuinely care about the campus success. Let's move forward with the shared understanding. Great work, everyone! Since we have agreed on the phased approach, let's finalize the timeline.
Okay, sure. If creative can give us the teaser materials in 1 week, marketing can extend the full launch deadlines. We are okay with reserving the full campaign in 3 weeks instead of immediately.
Yes, that's doable for us. Like, we can finish the teaser in 1 week, and the extra time will help us to complete the full campaign properly.
Alright, so this agreement is first, teaser in 1 week. Second, full campaign in 3 weeks. Is everyone okay with that?
Marketing agrees.
Don't worry everyone, I can handle coordinating updates and sharing a timeline with both of teams, so don't worry.
And for me, I will update creative's progress and raise issues early if needed.
Perfect. We have a clear plan and both teams are aligned. Thank you for working together. This is a solid win-win solution.
Good morning, everyone. Thank you for coming. Basically, the teaser visual looks excellent. This gives us the content we need to start engaging our audience and building momentum.
Good morning. Seriously, I am glad to hear that. The team worked carefully to ensure the visuals are on brand and ready for use. I wish for the teaser to meet everyone's expectations.
Misha, were there any challenges with the teaser formats that we should be aware of?
Not really. The teasers are simple enough to deliver on time. We did make some adjustment to the animations to make sure they load quickly online.
That makes sense, actually. I appreciate the attention to detail. Alif, do you think the team can maintain this pace for the next phase of the campaign?
Yes, KHALISA. We all know that once the phase approach, the workload is balanced better than before. We will need to monitor progress closely and frequently, but it is realistic for all.
Will your team be able to incorporate marketing suggestion along the way without delaying the full campaign?
Absolutely. We schedule review points so marketing can check the content before finalization. This allows adjustment to happen early rather than at the last minute.
Misha, actually, that is very reassuring. Mike, would you say this is the level of alignment we should aim for in future campaigns?
Definitely. Notice how everyone is asking questions, clarify expectations, and planning together. This is exactly the kind of a communication that prevents conflict before it begins.
I agree with that because previously we just received deadlines and rushed to meet them to make sure everything went well. But since there's some mutual understanding, quality is not sacrificed. The creative department is more than grateful to have this tolerance between all of us.
It also helps that no one feels overwhelmed. Phase deliverables give the team breathing room and maintain motivation.
That's good. I can already see the difference in coordination. Clear timelines allow us to plan posts, campaign, and also partnership more effectively.
Yes, I also agree with all that statement. This phased approach will also help us evaluate the teaser results and adjust the main campaign if necessary. Basically, it gives us more control over outcomes.
Yes, exactly. The team also feels respected. When there's a trust and tolerance, everyone is more committed to delivering high quality work.
So we should document this process for future campaigns. It can serve as a guideline to prevent miscommunication from happening again.
Yes, I couldn't agree more. This shows that listening, clarifying, and planning together produce a better result than rushing to meet a deadlines alone.
Yes, I feel that too. I feel confident moving forward because the plan is clear, timelines are realistic, and everyone understands their responsibility.
The team knows they're supported, right? So that makes all the difference here.
Exactly. Everyone is motivated and can maintain the quality that the brand expects.
That's good. Then I guess I will continue monitoring progress and also coordinating updates so any issue can be identified early.
Excellent. Keep this momentum and remember that collaboration and communication are the key to sustainable success. I think that's all for our discussion today. Thank you for all your cooperation.
Thank you.
Thank you.
One is the loneliest number that you'll ever do. Two can be as bad as one. It's the loneliest number since the number one. One is the loneliest number that you'll ever do.